Hi friends, welcome back to the Programmer Guide YouTube channel. In last video we have discussed about the filter intermediate method in the streams. Now we will continue with the map. Okay, map returns stream consisting of the result of applying the given function to the elements of the stream. In general words, right, we can say in this way, like map takes the object and transforms the object into the another stream of object. It is nothing but a map. Okay, so that means converting the any stream of objects into the another type of the stream of objects. Okay, so map is a intermediate operation. The map method is also lazy initialization. It means it will be evaluated at the time of calling the terminal operation. So if you see the syntax, right, here R, generic R stream, generic R map of function. See, function is the intermediate operation, right? So whenever you want to take some input argument and returns the expected output, right, so then you can go for the map. That map function I will give it to the video at description and end card. You can see that. Okay, suppose right here map is taking the t type input argument and returns the r type of input out. R denotes the element type of the new stream object. Question mark super T, it represents that the original stream should have the values that are superclass of T. That means whatever the input stream it is going to be take, right, T is going to be take, and R is going to be return the actual output of the transformation of the stream. Okay, the main usage of this map is convert a stream of objects into one type to stream of objects of another type. That is the reason you are going to be use the map in your real world programmatically. Okay, suppose right, for example, if you want to convert a list of integer values into the list of string of objects to do some performance, to find the sum of the elements in that string operation, so you can convert. Otherwise, suppose employee object, let's consider, from employee object you need to print the only names. Okay, you can take the map as the intermediate operation. We will see the set of examples, right. Here, right, I have taken a example 1. Okay, so in example 1 what I am trying to do is write a Java program to find all the numbers starting with the 2 using the stream functions. Okay, so I have taken the list of array of integer elements. So I want to convert these integer elements and need to find the which number is starts with 2, 20, 22, 25, 27, 21. These are the values, right, I need to find out. So suppose, right, number list dot stream dot map here, right, since it is map takes the function, right, map is the function, take the input to argument as a function, right, so you can use the lambda expression. See, suppose number, I am converting this number into the string. String dot value of number, it returns the string value. Finding the starting with 2. So now we have converted our stream into the another stream, right, so it returns the another stream. Now we need to find out which starts with the 2. That means find previous video we have discussed about the, right, filter is the conditional operator. So string of lambda expression string dot start with 2 for each of system dot out dot println. This is the method reference. So if you write this, right, you can find easily. If you want to do the same code in the before Java 8, right, you need to write n number of lines. Okay, now here it is only 3 lines and readability of the code also improved. See, 22, 25, 27, 21. There is a string. Okay, so we need to convert the string words into the lower case. This is the one of the interview question which I encounter for me, so that I have given to you. Okay, so first we need to split each word and make it to the array. That means I have taken the split delimiter space list of string values arrays dot as list. Okay, so I am converting that string array into the list. Okay, so here we need to result the end with complete lowercase letters. So list of values dot stream dot map. Okay, here string lambda expression I am converting each word in the string is right into the lowercase, and this is the space collect dot collectors dot to list. So this the value I have collecting that. So result dot for each system dot out dot print. So this is the this is the so this is also you can print, but programmatically if you want to do that is the better way. See, if you print in this way, right, it will come as a list of values, but our intention is we need to convert this string into the lowercase string, right. This is the way we need to print. So let's see the another example of the map, how it is going to be. I have taken the employee, so and created the one constructor and setters and getters. ID, name and salary is the values of the employee, and adding into the list. So employee dot add a new list of 1 and set up the values. What my intention is, we need to find the stream of the objects which is greater than the employee salary 50,000. Okay, so let's see how we can achieve this. So here we need to do the first filtering, because now we need to find which is greater than the 500 value, sorry 50,000 salary. I have used the filter to find that stream. Okay, filter also returns the end result in the stream, right. See, stream is the end result. So I am doing the conditional check since it is taking the predicate operation. After that I am taking the map. Map is going to be convert from list to one object to another list, right, another object, right. Here the complete map, this filter returns the complete object. After that we have taken the object, we need only names, right, which is greater than 50,000. So that is our intention. James, Krishna, Maridon and Ramu, these fellows are having the more salary than others. If you like content of the video, please like the video, subscribe my channel for the future videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.